So let's say I have this Steam app installed on my Windows 10 operating system, and I want to uninstall this Steam app from my Windows operating system. So just go to your search bar and then search for remove, and you will be able to see several options, but the option you are looking for is this one, which is add or remove programs. Okay, so just click on this option which says add or remove programs, and once this option opens, you will be able to see all the apps. When you scroll down, you will be able to see all the apps which are installed on your Windows 10 operating system. So you can search for the app which you want to uninstall. So as I said, I want to uninstall the app called Steam, which is this one. So just click on the app which you want to uninstall, and then you will be able to see the uninstall button here. Okay, so I will just click on uninstall button and then click on uninstall, which is going to give me this kind of window. I will just say yes here, and you can see it says uninstalling. And if the app which you want to uninstall have any uninstaller program, it's going to run that uninstaller program. So just click on the button uninstall here. So when you see that the uninstall is finished successfully, you can close this window, and you can see now this Steam app is uninstalled from my Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can uninstall Steam, or more specifically, you can uninstall any app on your Windows 10 operating system. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.